Now I am going to explain you how we select first hook in the jacquard. Okay. So for finding the first hook of the jacquard or for setting the first hook of the jacquard, we need one file. That is that I will provide you, or I can tell you how to make that file. And I have made the file, and that file name is 960 test. Okay, how to make this file 960 test I will explain in one video, and I will tell you. So in that file there is one benefit, that in every peak one LED will glow in the jacquard, or one hook will come down in the jacquard for every peak, like you can see in this video. Here we are giving the sensor input like this, and you can see in this supply, in this serial card line, one LED will glow on every peak. Okay, if you are able to see there are 12 number of cards in this ribbon, and for every peak one LED will glow. So in which way this LED will glow? Like at this time it is going from back side to front side. Okay, if you are standing that side, that is your front side of the machine, then LED is coming from back side to front side. Okay, but this you can manage from this panel. Like this time it is going from back side to front side, and we will select some setting, and then it should go from back side to front, from front side to back side. Okay, for that you need to go in admin mode, menu, you need to go like this, menu, then this down key, then 4 number admin key, admin, then you need to enter the password *1111#. Then you will find mode selection, up down selection, and ribbon and card selection. So in mode selection you need to select up and down. Up and down means it will start from front side or back side. Okay, so I am selecting this one. At this time it is selected up, so we will select down, and now we will see. Okay, again we are going to zero hook, or first hook, first number of hook we are going, so we can see from starting. Okay, so now you can see, wait, now you can see which earlier it was going from this side to that side, back side, and now it is coming from that side to this side, okay, so you can observe, see, from front side it is coming now back side. So in this way you can manage, and in one card it will start glowing from this side or that side. It can also be selected from mode selection. Okay, we will do that. We will go to menu in the same way, from back key we will go to admin mode, then 4 we will press, then again we will press password *111 4 times 1, then hash, then we will select mode is left is selected, we will select it right. So earlier, again we are making it 1. Earlier it was starting glowing from that side, and now it will start glowing from this side. You can see from this side it is glowing, and it is coming from front side to back side. So in this way you can select in the jacquard that in which way you want first hook. If you want, you may need in if you are in front of the card, you may need left side, and on the left side the back side, the first hook, or you may need on the right side front side first hook. These two are normal procedure, so you can select as you wish. And if you have been provided the CL card without LED, then LED will not glow, but the hook in which current is going, that hook will come down. You can see in this one. यहाँ पे you can see that I will show you that without LED how you can do that. ये बोलिए आगे छोड़ दे, लोहा लगल है, हाँ लोहा लगल छोड़ दे, कैसे छोड़बा? You can see in this one. फिर से लिया कोनो और लोहा रखा है यार ये उनकी. Now you can see that here LED is glowing. So if your CL card don't have LED, then you can check with module only that hook is working or not. अरे हमें क्यों निकाला तेरा गलती से? See, we will put it into the module, and now we can see that this hook will come down. See, here the second LED is going, here second LED, second hook is coming down. All other hook will not come down. Okay, because in the second LED light is going. Okay, so if in your CL card LED is not there, then also you can find out that which one is the first hook. Okay, thank you.